Welcome, here I've got Motorola Edge and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options now. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner and it opens as the advanced camera settings. Now we have to just simply slide down to the save settings, and here at the second place we have the save location option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. This is how it works. And also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we really want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And now let me keep turning it on all of these settings, and let's go back to the camera to take a picture. Now let's move here to the right corner at the bottom. This is the quick access button to the gallery. So this is our picture, and to check the location we just have to simply slide up. And here we are with the map. So greetings from Krakow. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.